Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers group with my review of Rank Hijack, which is being launched on January the 2nd at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time, 4 PM GMT. If you decide to join this under my link, it is underneath this video, and I will tell you about the exclusive bonuses that you will only get from joining under my link if you decide that you like this product. You can of course look elsewhere and see what else is available, but my bonuses are unique to me and you won't find them anywhere else. Okay, so what is Rank Hijack? Well, Rank Hijack is a method that enables you to get ranked in Google for valuable buyer keywords higher than you can get ranked anywhere else. Now, if you've been running websites over the last few years, you will have found that it's become harder and harder to achieve high ranking statuses on Google and other search engines for your niche keywords. Now, this is because big sites with a lot of authority on the web have been eating up all of the spaces because of the way that Google are now ranking sites and the way that the algorithms have changed over the years. So it's become harder and harder. Now, a method that Rank Hijack uses is something called parasite SEO. Now, that sounds maybe as if it's a little bit dodgy, but it isn't, and I'll give you an obvious example of that. What I mean by parasite SEO is loading your own content onto other sites that are already authority sites. So creating pages on big ranking sites that already exist as a way to display your own content. Now, it'll be explained in full in the walkthrough video that you can see on my special sales page here at Rank Hijack. This is a sales page that's unique to me. But to give you an obvious example, YouTube is a site where all of the content is created by you. It's created by the public. YouTube themselves don't load content. So that is an example of a parasite SEO site. If you load content onto YouTube, then you are participating in what is known as parasite SEO. So this product just takes that a stage further and gives you lots of different ways that you can promote your niches and your keywords much more effectively than you're doing currently. It's on offer during this launch period of 5 days at a price of $47, which is much cheaper than the normal price for Rank Hijack, which is $97. You can check if you're looking at this before 11 o'clock, you'll see that the previous version was actually on sale or is on sale at $97. So let me show you what you get. These bonuses come with the Rank Hijack product anyway, so you'll get these whichever link you sign up with, but they're an excellent set of bonuses. You get Convert Backlinks Guide, find out how you can gain massive traffic with powerful backlinks. You get the link wheel system of 10 videos that shows you how to create a network of sites that not only boost your money higher in the search engine rankings, but also shows you how to dominate SEO results. The Insider's Guide to Niche Research, 25 proven traffic method videos, the Ultimate Link Building ebook, Affiliate Authority ebook and 10 videos. These are great bonuses, by the way. Niche Authority ebook and 10 videos, Surefire WordPress SEO 8 videos, Social Media Authority 10 videos, Affiliate Cache Mastery and Private Label Rights, Facebook Ad Secrets, that comes with PLR as well, Secret Instant Traffic, another one with PLR, Solo Ad Secrets, and Traffic Exchange Mastery. All of those have PLR as well. And now on to my exclusive bonuses. So you'll only get these with signing up under me. My first exclusive bonus is silver membership for 12 months of the Surefire wealth site. Now, I don't know if you know about this site, but you can get many of the latest ebooks, software, audio and video marketing products, many with giveaway rights, resale rights, master resale rights, and private label rights from one of the most respected sites in internet marketing. So 12 months silver membership I'm giving you free there, and that will provide you with a good way to build up your own library. I'm giving you live streaming video profits. In this guide, you're going to learn some of the best ways to use live video to promote your products. I'm giving you exclusive bonus number 3, high profit blog secrets. Learn some of the secrets that the pros use to build high profit blogs. If you're interested in creating your own product, or perhaps you're looking for some ideas to do that, then my 4th bonus is profitable product creation ideas. Discover how to create and sell a product quickly online. And finally, landing pages 101. In this report, you're going to learn about different types of landing pages, how to use them, and how to create stunning landing pages without a lot of technical or design experience, which is certainly me, by the way. So that is the package that you will get if you sign up under me. In terms of what you'll be offered further down the line in the Rank Hijack package, the first upsell that you will be offered is something called Backlinks Rhino, and that is $67. That is one that I would highly recommend, because the one thing that you do need to do to get your sites ranking well is to build excellent backlinks. So that one is, to me, a no-brainer. It's $67, but it's well worth it. Have a look at the description when you get to that stage of the website. The next one after that is a product for niches. It's $97. That one, it all depends on what you're specifically looking to do with your websites, really, and how you're looking to promote it, as to whether that one is actually worth your while. So I'll let you be the judge of that one yourself. And then, by the way, if you don't take either of these, you'll come to a downsell, which is a cloud-based Defender for $17. That's the downsell product. Wasn't blown away by this product, I have to say, but have a look at that. If you do decide to take that downsell, it'll cost you $17. And the final product that you'll be offered is Video Reaper Pro for $97. And again, really, that depends on what you're planning to do with your particular websites, as to whether you think that is a good deal or not. But what I would say is have a look at the Rank Hijack walkthrough demonstration, and have a good study of the product. It's a 15-minute video presentation, so it goes into a lot of detail as to exactly what the product does, and I think it's a very worthwhile product. So I'll give this a 4 to 4.5 star recommendation out of 5. I think it's a good product for you to have at the start of the year. It's certainly very well priced at $47, and some of the upsells, particularly the Backlink Rhino upsell, are very good indeed. So that's me, Dawud Islam, from the Elite Tigers group, with my product review for Rank Hijack, which is launched on January the 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern. Thank you.